See, I sabi cook well, oh, but cooking is not my hobby. You see that kind thing. So, I'm cooking moi-moi with moi-moi leaves today. Not the one I no bring come this UK. Oh. Yes, so I brought this moi-moi leaves all the way from Nigeria. I package and come, and now it don't dry. So, guys, I'm going to wash it. Watch me wash it and turn it to moi leaf that they just pluck from the farm. See, when it comes to cooking moi with these leaves, you need to select them separately, like I just did now. You need to put small ones and big ones in different places like this, so that it will be easier for you when you are, wrapping the moi, because the way they say the moi leaves, they always mix them together. So guys, you see, can you see the sticks? Hey, see the way I wash them. You don't clean, you don't fine. So the importance of these sticks is for the moi not to get burnt easily. And next thing, you put your pepper, your onions and crayfish, and it's ready to be blended. There's no moi without crayfish, so put enough crayfish inside your moi, and blend it very, very well like this. So guys, watch how to make delicious moi. So when it comes to making a moi, egg is paramount. Yes, so egg is important. So now this is where the work comes in. This is where the technique comes to play. So if you know that you don't know how to make moi with leaves, please pay attention to this particular part. So first of all, we pick up the big leaf. If you remember in the beginning, we separated the leaves small and big. So you pick a big one. You break the back a little. There's this stick that is still at the back. You break it a little, then you put the small one. So you do the same thing, put the small one on it, and then wrap it the way I wrapped it now, and bend it from behind, and then put your moi inside. It is very, very, very easy. You remember, you put what was it called again, granite oil. After you blend all those things, I think I didn't video when I added granite oil. So you now put one of the already sliced and cooked egg inside, and then wrap it. Just bend it like this and put it inside the pot like so. It is very, very, very easy. So I'm going to do it one more time so that you get the technique. See, pick up the big one, the big leaf, then pick a smaller one and put it on top, then just fold it like this, fold it like that, then bend it, turn it and bend it, then open it and put your moi inside like so. It is very, very, very easy. And then put, if it is fish you want to put, or egg like I'm doing right now, just drop it inside and then fold it backward like that. You see, just pay attention to the way I did it. You can go back and watch it again so that you get the technique very well. It's very easy. So moi is almost ready, guys. It's almost ready. So it covered to cook very well. You check it and then voila! Oh my god, the moi is very soft, looking so delicious. So guys, I hope you learned something today. It's very easy to make moi with leaves. So go and try it if you have not tried it before. After watching this video, please go and try it and make it for your husband and the kids. My kids now, they like moi. So guys, this is how I made moi in the UK. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye bye.